2 words. Oh boy. Alright, now guys, just hear me out for a second. I have a nice, beautiful, great condition, expensive 2JZ GTE that, yes, we are going to be putting into my Toyota Supra. Remember, I got an NA manual Toyota Supra that I'm gonna end up doing all the swap for. Now, because this is such an awesome motor, I wanted to take my time with it and build it outside of the car. In the meantime, I was sitting here working on the car the other day, and I thought to myself, this would be just an incredible idea. Now, you guys know my policy. If it's dumb and it's fun, I'm game. That's pretty much it. So, you guys saw the boxes I have. I wanna show you guys what I got, because I am so stoked. As you can tell, they're pretty much all opened. Victoria couldn't control herself. So they're all opened, but I haven't actually seen any of it for myself yet. Before I show you anything though, I finally got my wing for the Soup. I hate wingless Supras. I'm not gonna make a full video about this. We can just include this in this video, but dude, ta-da. Let me show you this thing. So my favorite wing of all time is the TRD wing. Unfortunately, they're so rare and expensive that it's not even worth actually hunting down a real TRD wing these days. Most of the cars with TRD stuff on them never actually is TRD anymore, because an actual TRD wing's like well over $2,000. Front lip is like almost $1,000. Most of what you see is either polyurethane or an FRP replica. Even FRP stuff is like $600. So, still a good wing. It's gonna work. So we've actually got some carbon on the sides here. What I'm going to do, whenever I get all of my body kit in, I'm gonna have Jose repaint either the whole car or most of the car. But I'm actually gonna have him do a carbon fiber of the top piece. But for now, this is it, boys. Can I just be the first to say, wingless Supras don't look good. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you think your car looks good. JZA80 Supras have to have a wing. It's just a fact. I'm not making this up. It is what it is. There's some hatches out there that have like the extended duckbill and stuff that looks okay. But dude, you can't do this and get away with it. You deserve to be fined. Some people call this the whale tail. It is the TRD. It's just the coolest wing ever for the Soup. And about to put it on. Out of all things, I'm really surprised it still has this little cover for the hatch. They also like, I don't know if this is like Bondo. It's like some sort of body nut substance, dude. I don't even know what it is, but it's gross and I gotta get it out. You can see that like, it's moving. Yeah, there you go. So what if I just like, here it comes. Hey. There it is. Oh, yikes. Oh, jeez, bro. What a mess, man. Learn from this guy. Don't do crappy stuff. They did a terrible job of bondoing this up. Lo and behold, we have the mother of all wings for the Supra now, and it don't look so weird now. Ah, it's bad lighting right here, but golly, man. As soon as I get my body kit, this is gonna go off to paint. This is gonna go for carbon. Really excited to show you the rest of the kit, man. I've got a diffuser coming, repainting the rear bumper, side skirts, and then the front end's pretty much fine. But dude, this has always been my most favorite and this is the most iconic Supra wing out there, man. It's so good. It's gonna look way better with the custom 3-piece with some actual size tires. But for now, that'll do. Oh, so good. Now for the part that you guys have been waiting for. I have been waiting for. Really excited. I have something in my eye. All right. Needed a must. Move it again. This last summer, I'm not gonna say we became the king of the eBay, but it was really fun. You guys loved the Civic stuff. And while this sucker was getting done, I wanted to be able to have some fun with the GE. I'm not a cheap person, but I do enjoy experimenting with what out there that's inexpensive actually works well. I got all this on Amazon. The kit is no longer available. I think I got the last one possible, but the kit with all of what I'm about to show you was $650. First off, didn't realize this sucker was gonna be so big. This is like the most massive thing I've ever seen. This is my T4. Pretty generic T4. T4 96. That's a big turbo. Now my goal is not to blow up the car. Not my goal. We're doing something really simple, fun, easy. I just wanted to hold up, watch the rest of the kit. I literally, the other day, I texted Ethan actually, I was like, dude, what if in the meantime we just eBay turbo the Supra? And he was like, yeah? And I'm a very impulse buyer, so about 5 minutes later, I bought this kit. And I was so excited, Victoria can vouch for this, I paced her around the house the rest of the night. 650 bucks, guys. Some gaskets, wastegate dump, intake with the proper, like, the freaking downpipe. It attaches to the turbo, a V-band downpipe. Mandrel bent, welded, like, XS power. Yeah, hella China, bro. Chinese as heck. Ugh. Guys, 650 bucks. I'm gonna keep reminding you. Dude, all the oil feeds, like all the AN stuff I need. Actually, it's not AN, it's just like hose stuff. It's just for heater hose. All the fittings I need. I got this China dust on me. And, again, for the 650 bucks, we have a twin scroll T4 manifold. This is crazy. God dang it. Top mount turbo, made for the GE, the 2JZ GE, wastegate on the bottom. I'm not even done yet, dude. Look at all this freaking, all gaskets I need, bolts for turbo, actually studs for the turbo. All of the other oil feed, like accessories I need with zip ties and everything. 650 bucks, guys. I'm the king of going around and trying to find the absolute cheapest, best, coolest eBay turbo crap possible, and I love it. Oil feed. These are cheap, but these can sometimes cost you upward of $150 just for the oil feed. Didn't cost them very much because they probably did it with their teeth in-house. More nuts and bolts, like they didn't spare a thing. This is a flared fitting, like almost like a brake fitting. It's like if you want other options to get some oil to your turbski, here you go, dude. Well, that's just vacuum line hose. There's something in here. Are those stickers? Dude, that's going on the lift. XS power. Dude, I'm kidding you. I'm a mess. What is this? Wait, this is the weirdest wastegate I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God, are you guys seeing this? This looks like an industrial power plant. This looks like an alien ship, like War of the Worlds. Like, dude, just imagine like, aliens coming out. Little Jerome dudes coming out. The lead engineer of their design team needs to probably get fired. This seriously looks like a Russian spaceship. This thing is probably 5 pounds. I could curl with this and my muscles would get bigger. Guys, I can't explain enough. I'm going to do this build right. I want you guys to know that, but I love having dumb fun. And I think that's the key to living a happy life, is finding the simple things. I could literally buy any turbo kit I wanted. I could do anything to this car I wanted. But dude, I spent the least amount of money possible, $650 by the way, to get this, I'm not even gonna say junky, to get this like the okayest turbo kit I've ever seen in my life, dude. $650. Now, here's what I will say. I am getting a comp turbo built for this car, or this motor. What I might do, since it's top mount, easy to reach, I might use the comp turbo for this, but we'll see what the eBay turbo kit can, or the eBay turbo can do first. That's gonna be a very slow spooling turbo, but we'll see what it does. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go stock ECU. The Supra GE ECU and stock MAP sensor can actually hold up to about 5 PSI. They're about 30% of a bar. So it's gonna be really low boost, probably rocking 220 wheel horsepower, 203 wheels, but who knows? It might end up doing good, might go standalone. I have a whole fuel system coming for this motor, but we might use some of it, or at least maybe my old GTR injectors, like up it a little bit. We might have a little bit of fun with the GE. A lot of people were asking me when I bought this car, why aren't you gonna do something with the GE? I originally had said because I wanted to do the GTE swap so badly, but I was thinking to myself, I was like, you know what? I really, this is my dream motor. I wanna get the right parts with it. I wanna do everything outside of the car. I don't need to do the swap yet. I have a 2JZ right here, and I'm kinda curious at just seeing what a cheap eBay turbo kit could do. So this also fits an IS300. It fits the Supra, obviously, SC300 if you have the 2JZ GE. Anything with the 2JZ GE in it, you can do this kit too. Well, you can't now because I'm the last person that's owned it. But I'm stoked because this car has like a nasty sounding header and it has a terrible exhaust. So one of the first things we're gonna do, obviously, is put the turbo kit on, do the downpipe. I'm gonna have Kev, after we're done with the R33, if you guys haven't noticed, it's gone, currently doing that, but I've been sick and I don't wanna go up there and make him sick. First thing we're gonna do is get this thing a nice sounding exhaust and make a little bit of power. But guys, I'm kind of excited about this. Like, this is all stainless parts, welded pretty nicely, and I'm actually kind of confident that this manifold might actually be able to hold a little bit of power. The welds on it aren't horrible. It's all like decent mandrel bent. I'm sure the flow test is probably not amazing, but the divided housing will help the turbo spool a little bit. Each of these pipes that come out of each cylinder are pretty reinforced, it looks like. So I don't think this thing's gonna crack. Like, this thing actually, this might do well for us, boys. I'm really stoked, and I hope you guys are too. So anyways, remember guys, 650 bucks. I can't wait, dude. I'm freaking psyched, and anytime I'm psyched about something, life is just better. I'm psyched about everything going on right now. It's so important to have fun in life. It's so important to make sure you just enjoy. Got some China in my eye right now, bro. I can't even freaking. It's so important to learn how to enjoy the little things in life. You're gonna live such a miserable life if you can just have fun with little things. I don't have to go out and spend $10,000 on a sick built GTE. I probably will, but in the meantime, like, use me an example. You don't have to have the best of the best to like have a good life. The best material possessions don't create the best life. That's not how life works. I just want you guys to know that. I'm psyched. I'm hopefully when I get over this, I'm gonna try and get over this pretty soon, and then I'm gonna get to work like really quickly on this. Kind of want to just poop my pants right now out of excitement, but I love you guys. That was my daily advice for you guys. Have an amazing day. I'll see you guys later. Deuce. Hey, I got 2 videos for you. Oh shoot, I just like moved my wing. What the heck happened there? Basically watch those 2 videos in front of your dome, or I'm gonna kick your butt. Have a good day though.